your association?
No, నేను ఈరోజు బ్రతుకుతానా చచ్చిపోతానా రేపటి everything is absolutely lost. जैसे the girl Disha got raped and that point of time and I went there, I was shivering for 2 days. This is not right, the girls are not safe. After my fibromyalgia, after 14 injections on my face, I think somewhere something to take the right path.
So how in early age, what age like you connected?
So I remember my mother was just 42 when she was getting my sister married, 42 or 43, and she got widowed at 27. I was feeling very uncomfortable in the industry because it is a completely opposite side of life. I wanted to become a lawyer looking at my mother's life. Spirituality started. She had nothing in her hands, but we.
First of all, namaskar.
Namaskar.
और
Om Shanti.
Om
कहते हैं.
Shanti. I don't know, when you're standing in front of me, I'm getting some goosebumps when I was listening you. And the spirituality tour, it's somewhere not a tour, I must say, the kind of goosebumps you give while you are into spirituality zone, there is some blessings you have. First of all, I want to thankful to you for today getting invited. You have informed us
Yeah.
and given me an opportunity
Yeah.
to actually go through something good journey, positive journey. I think purity. I'm feeling
Yeah.
very energetic today.
Nice.
So first, I want to say thanks to you.
Welcome.
I want to know today event, how was your association been when you met Brahma Kumari? How your life has changed? And I
మీరు
but you're pan India.
నేను I think the credit goes to my family for putting this culture in my life first of all, and you have asked me many times questions that how am I so still in between so much of chaos, what do I do?
Yes.
People call me and ask me మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఏం పూజలు చేస్తారు, ఏది చేస్తారు, ఎందుకు ఇలా అవుతుంది, ఎందుకు ఇలా జరుగుతుంది. Trust me, except for meditation, I have not opted for anything other than that.
Great.
Maybe నాకు వచ్చిన ఇంట్యూషన్స్ వల్ల, నేను మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు థాట్స్ వల్ల God has saved me from many mishappenings. God has guided me to take right decisions. It has not given me a very comfortable life. I'm talking about bhautika sukham. You know, it has not given me materialistically a comfortable life. But I know that when I sleep in the night, I sleep with a lot of peace. And naku kuda idi during my adversity times, I realized what are the values my sisters from Brahma Kumaris have put on me. There are people from the industry, outside the industry, very big people who say you're very boring, you're very mundane, you're very this, that. I used to listen to it. But udhar rehte hue, being in the industry, I used to follow a certain principles. I'm not a tyagi like all the sisters here. But I followed as many principles as possible, and believed in God, believed in the supreme power, believed in what my sister said more than anything else. So whatever decision I have taken, it has come from my inside. And whatever mistakes I have made, it is from my outside. So whatever immature decisions were there, or you know, we all are humans and we make mistakes, all of that, I would credit that to me. But if I have done something good according to people, if a girl like you or a woman like you is saying it, or any of them, any of the girls are even thinking that oh my god, oh she's a nice girl, or she's done something well, or she's presented well, trust me, from a situation where I did not know నేను ఈరోజు బ్రతుకుతానా చచ్చిపోతానా రేపటికి ఏమవుతుంది, after losing everything possible, like a girl wants a marriage, children, maybe you know, a comfortable life, which I could have.
Yes.
Which I easily could have. And there was a time where I felt everything is absolutely lost. But हर एक चीज़ होने के पीछे एक कारण होता है. And I think my strength is known to me through these issues that I have faced. And I would credit, if not entirely, but 80% of that goes to my sister Radhika, BK Radhika, my meeting of all the three dadis, Dadi Janki, Dadi Gulzar, Dadi Prakash Mani. I was very little. I've celebrated at least 4 birthdays in Brahma Kumaris.
Oh, wow.
I've been to Mount Abu. I've followed the principles to do Baba Milan. And I have experienced what purity can give you. Purity is rather the biggest strength. Intention is the biggest strength. But it was very difficult. अंटे आपके सामने करोड़ों रुपए रख देना किसी का और आपका उसको मना करना is not very easy when you don't have anything. But I have practiced that. And I'm seeing today that no matter how many negative energies have come on me, they have fallen flat. I've spoken about BK, Shivani.
Yes.
And when so many things were happening, जैसे the girl Disha got raped, and that point of time, President Ji was coming, not Draupadi Murmu, our earlier president, Ramnath Kovind Ji was coming. And I went there, I was shivering for 2 days when I saw Disha's death. I had goosebumps and I said, this is not right, the girls are not safe. I went then and asked Sister Shivani कि क्या है ये सब मतलब मेरे को समझ नहीं आता sister. First of all, everybody, as everyone says, ये कलयुग है. लेकिन Sister Shivani said it's a collective conscious.
Yes.
So जो नेगेटिविटी फैलती है आपको पता है उसके लिए 2 सेकंड लगते हैं. But positive रहकर आगे बढ़ना is very difficult in practice. Positive bolna, positive cheppadam, positive matladam, it's very easy. But being positive in the most critical situations, being stable, being nilakadaga, sthiranga, balanga, undadam. Oka kashtamayina samayamlo, chala, I'm telling you, it'll make you taste death. But if you have stood by that storm, there is nothing that can shake you further. तो मुझे अभी तक ये नहीं पता कि मेरा अगला क्या है. Will I have a normal life? And after my fibromyalgia, after 14 injections on my face became big. From 50 kgs I went to 75 kgs. From 75 I came down to 60. Whatever happened in the market is out in the market. But I think adversity reveals the true character. And I don't want to talk about myself, but I hope the world is watching what is happening. And I want to continue on this path. I want to do my duties as a daughter. I would love to be married. My sisters have never said, there's a misconception about Brahma Kumaris that they will ask you not to marry.
Yes,
no.
yes, nahin.
My sister Radhika has always asked me, get married, find a partner, get married, settle down. But if you have a spiritual connection and spiritual practice, which I try doing most of the times, I think somewhere something guides you right way to take the right path. And you have to become still and experience that. Nenudi cheptundi chala oka speech laga undochu lekapothe it must be sounding very boring to people. Or it must not be as effective as what a star would tell you. But trust me, I have tasted death and have come out. I would consider this as my second life. And I would want to serve my country. I would want to do duties of as a daughter. I want to do duty as a, as a student from Brahma Kumaris. I'm again telling you, I'm not 100% student here. I'm not as tyagi as them. But I try as much as possible to fight for what is right and stay calm when it is needed.
We always think spirituality is, you should have a fasting, you should follow these days, go to the temple. The mantra is spirituality is something different. It need to connect it to yourself.
Yeah.
So do you think, like as you were telling, and you're creating awareness among the girls, I think
among
in
the
young age we need to go for this. Somewhere it makes you strong.
Yes, I
Because
have
before
been
we
pushed
got
into it at a very
married,
young age.
That is more important. So somewhere, I don't know, misconception is there spirituality when you see in everything stages of life, you experience जब आप दुख में हो तभी आपको भगवान याद आए.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
I think spirituality is somewhere other way, which you know better. And
कबीरदास ने कहा दुख में सिमरन सब करे सुख में करे ना कोई जो सुख में सिमरन करे तो दुख काहे को होए.
Exactly. Exactly. So how in early age, what age like you connected? And who gave you that path?
I'll tell you if I remember very clearly, when I was in 6th or 7th standard,
Okay.
I cleared everything in my room and I said, Mama, मुझे ओम चाहिए मेरे घर में. I
Okay.
want to paint ओम. मुझे मेरे पीछे ओम चाहिए और मुझे तलवार भी चाहिए. So I always had छोटा सा हमारा घर था, पापा नहीं थे. And I remember Papa saying Nankana Sahib Jana. So I would want people to watch my videos of Nankana Sahib and also my prayers at the temple in the neighboring country. So I remember, अगर आप मुझे पूछते हो spirituality कब से आई है, मुझे बस इतना याद है कि मैं छोटी सी थी, मम्मा को मैंने बोला था कि ये मेरे को ओम बना के दो, एंड आई सेड स्पाइरल बनना चाहिए, उसके ऊपर ओम लगना चाहिए. एंड पहले से ही लड़ाकू थी. एंड बस इतना मुझे याद है. तो मुझे नहीं पता कि ये एक और दादी हमेशा 4 बजे उठाती थी पढ़ने के लिए. हम लोगों ने पढ़ाई नहीं की, तुम करो. लेकिन अगर मैं सक्सेस रेट देखूं, मेरी दादी और मेरी माँ का ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि उनकी शादियाँ 16-16 साल में हो गई थी, बच्चे भी हो गए थे. 40 साल की उम्र में वो अपने बच्चों की शादियाँ करा रही थी.
Yes.
So I remember my mother was just 42 when she was getting my sister married, 42 or 43, and she got widowed at 27. So the credit doesn't go to me कि मैं कुछ हूँ, नहीं. It is my family's culture, and eventually I was feeling very uncomfortable in the industry because it is a completely opposite side of life, of what we practice in the family. I will take this as pocket money. I want to become a social activist. I want to become a lawyer, and I want to fight.
You want to become a lawyer?
I wanted to become a lawyer.
You would have.
I wanted to become a lawyer looking at my mother's life. तो पता नहीं situations ऐसे create हुई that I am automatically, I think, a lawyer for myself, an activist for myself. तो ये फैमिली का भी होता है. आज का टॉपिक वी आर फैमिली था. ये फैमिली का भी होता है, लेकिन जो हमें बचपन से सिखाया गया है गुरु गोविंद सिंह के बारे में, गुरु नानक देव जी के बारे में, आई थिंक इट इज़ ऑल ऑफ लॉट ऑफ सिख कम्युनिटी का जो इंड्यूसमेंट होता है, बचपन से सिखाया जाता है. संडे संडे सेवा कराई जाती है, और हमें चप्पल की सेवा कराई जाती
Yes,
है.
yes.
पंगत की सेवा कराई जाती है, सबको साथ में बैठ के खाना होता है. स्टेट ऑफ इक्वालिटी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर. Spirituality started, and I started believing in God looking at my mother's life, because she was just 27 and Papa was 32 when he expired.
And you 2 kids. With 2
And
kids.
3 kids.
3 kids.
And she had nothing in her hands. But we survived. And I always wished कि मेरे को शादी करनी है, and I don't want to be a part of this whole fame. I mean, people might think I do things for fame, but I am totally contrary. I do not like fame. I don't consider fame success. I consider my Dadi ji successful, I consider my mother successful, I consider my sister successful, not me as yet. But yes, I have passed the tough times, and I have passed because of the cultural aspect of my mother, of my family, and Brahma Kumaris.
At this stage, what advice you want to give to the young girls? Obviously, you always stand by for them. If you given a position where you have to change something for the good life of a girls, what you will do?
What I will do, there's so many things I want to do, Neha. First of all, you know, it is not about just girls. I think it is a lot of men who need to support me in what I want to do. I want to change this whole normalcy which is coming for rape, which is happening in this country. I will throw out every person from the parliament who has allegations of rape or crime on women.
Yes.
And I think everything takes a top-down approach. It's not very easy what I'm saying, but that's one thing which I want to do. And I consider myself young enough.
Yes.
So my soul is young. I haven't still established so much to give any statements to anybody. But if I'm given a position of power by any chance, by God, I think I want to eradicate this mindset of you can just rape a girl any point of time and nothing will happen to me. That is one thing I really want to work upon. And I will say that purity and purity of thought is your biggest strength. Family is not when you share property. Family is when you take responsibility.
Yes. And just one line about this. How more girls should get association with this spirituality, because you got connected very well, right?
Yeah,
and you've been into that journey now.
Yeah.
You have come out with some personal
Experiences.
issues, health issues, and you're overcoming that.
Yeah. I'm in the process. Yeah.
You are in a process and you will recover, I know.
Yeah.
What do you want that the youth should get into the spirituality? Should not have a misconception.
They, you know what? First
Come
of all,
forward.
don't consider this boring or something like that. The high which you get during meditation and the high that you get in spiritual life is totally different. And once you experience it, you will never leave
I think
it.
spirituality doesn't mean, that I told you in the
Yeah, it's not about wearing a sari and
Sari
wearing a
or-
bindi.
it's
Maybe,
meditation,
maybe,
yoga,
maybe
yeah.
today I'm in an event, so I'm wearing all of this. I also have a normal life.
Yes.
I
I
enjoy
think
my
connecting
life.
with yourself is.
I enjoy my life like everybody else does. Today I'm supposed to wear white because it's duty that I am doing here. But association with spiritual people will keep you in the right direction. I'm talking out of experience. Association with truly spiritual people, not people who are selling gods. People who make you believe in yourself, you will feel it inside. You will feel that I'm doing the right thing, that I felt that this is my family. And they never asked me to give up anything. This is a big, big misconception that they have. They never asked me to give up anything. But they have guided me, right? They have stood by me in the toughest of times. And Poonam, from the day that, she didn't want to live to the day where the biggest example is Draupadi Murmu ji. She's sitting as a president today.
Yes.
And believe there is destiny in God, because I have seen God in the most crucial times. I'm still going through the toughest times that anybody can even think of. I don't have the comforts people have imagined or people have thrown at me. I have not taken a single comfort from anybody. Whatever is written is nonsense. But if I'm standing still, if I'm not responding, if I'm fighting, it is because I know that I am right. And I'm doing the right thing at the right time. We all make mistakes. But to be in the right company is the most important thing, because your company defines everything. If you're along with leaders, you become leader. If you're along with spiritual people, that will imbibe in your character. So I think your company matters. Wherever Brahma Kumaris is, just go there, do seva. It can be a Gurdwara, it can be a church, it can be
Anywhere,
anywhere. It could be Brahma Kumaris. I say Brahma Kumaris because there's no definition of a religion here. Go there, get connected, and see to itself that there's a different world altogether other than the social media which is
Yes,
there,
yeah.
who have dedicated their complete life in seva.
I don't know how many times
They don't even get the credit for it. They don't want the credit for it. So see the unconditional people who have sacrificed their life, that है ना, हमने देश के लिए ये कर दिया, हमने देश के लिए वो
I
कर
like
दिया,
the spirit that made stand and
हमने ये
about
कर
the
दिया.
soldiers.
All the 3 men have died yesterday.
Yes.
And one of the people had called and said, मेरे बेटे को ठीक रखना, मेरे बेटे को ठीक रखना. Now those are the people who are actually making the real world. Real world is nothing. Real world is everything. And the God will connect to the real world in the most beautiful way.
Wow.
Maybe I'll write my experiences one day, but I request every girl possible to connect to any spiritual center which is around them, experience the high with purity, and see what happens.
Last
Thank you.
कविता. वो
कविता
कैसे 2 लाइन 3 लाइन
नहीं वो तो मैंने उधर दे दी, बता
आपके
दी
मन
थी.
में जो भी आ रहा है, एक एंडिंग
अरे,
अंदर से जो निकलता है
अभी जो मैंने बोला ना,
कुछ भी 3-4 लाइनें जो मन में आती हैं.
दुख में सिमरन सब करे, सुख में करे न कोय, जो सुख में सिमरन करे तो उसको दुख काहे को होए. नमस्ते.
Great.